Cakes come in all different shapes and sizes, and utilizing the best cake turntable for displaying your culinary masterpiece will increase its aesthetic appeal. That's because what impresses people most about a cake is often its decorations and presentation. We've researched and discovered 9 top-rated cake turntables, as well as the worst one you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 9 best cake turntable, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Ateco 608 Revolving Cake Decorating Stand 11-inch round. While Ateco has a number of different turntables on the market, we found this particular one to be the best Ateco cake turntable available. The Ateco 608 Revolving Cake Decorating Stand is available in a number of different options, with the default one consisting of a plastic base. Other options include a cast iron base or an aluminum base. This turntable is quite affordable when compared to other options that are available and provides a flat, round top that measures 11 inches in diameter. The flat top can easily be turned to help ensure you reach around the cake without having to move from one position to the next consistently. Coming in at number 2, Smoothest Spinning 12-inch Cake Turntable and Decorating Supplies Kit by Cakes of Eden. After extensive research, we found the Forever Smooth 12-inch Cake Turntable by Cakes of Eden brand to be the best cake turntable on the market. This turntable comes with additional accessories that make the process of decorating your cake easier. These accessories include a spatula as well as a lifted board. In addition to these convenient features, this particular turntable also features a leveler as well as a cutting mechanism built into the board that makes it effortless to cut your cake into multiple pieces. The turntable also features a locking brake to make sure you can keep the top part stable while working on more detailed decorations. Coming in at number 3, the Wilton Trim and Turn Ultra Cake Decorating Turntable. The Wilton Trim and Turn Ultra Cake Decorating Turntable is a complete kit that will make your life much easier when it comes to decorating cakes. The turntable features a non-slip design that will ensure your cake stays on the tray while you're busy with your decorations. To ensure the tray does not rotate by itself, a lock feature has also been built into this particular tool. In addition to the main item, being the cake decorating turntable, this kit also comes with 4 couplers, a total of 12 decorating bags, and 12 accompanying ties that are used for the icing bags. Furthermore, the tool also comes with decorating tips that have been specifically designed for decorating cake borders. Coming in at number 4, the Kootek Aluminum Alloy Revolving Cake Stand 12-inch Cake Turntable. If you're looking for the best metal cake turntable on the market, then the Kootek Aluminum Alloy Revolving Cake Stand 12-inch Cake Turntable might be exactly what you're looking for. The tray that's attached to this cake turntable has been made from a high-quality aluminum material that provides you with a durable accessory. In addition to the stand, the product also comes with a convenient metal spatula and a scraper, which will most certainly come in handy while you're decorating a cake. The tray attached to the top of this turntable measures a total of 12 inches in diameter, ensuring it's large enough for most types of cakes that you bake at home or in a professional setting. Coming in at number 5, the Cake Turntable Revolving Cake Decorating Stand by Ohuhu. We looked at many different options on the market and found the best revolving cake stand that comes at an affordable price to be the Ohuhu Cake Turntable. This turntable is made of aluminum and provides a smooth surface that you can use to place your cake on for decorating. The turntable has a 12-inch top, providing adequate space to fit your entire cake. The icing spatula that comes included in this cake kit was designed with a unique angle, making it much easier to apply soft frosting to your cake as well. In addition to the spatula, this kit also comes with a number of different scrapers to help you create various frosting shapes. Coming in at number 6, the 11-inch rotating cake turntable with icing spatula and 3 icing smoother by Kootek. Next up, the Kootek 11-inch rotating cake turntable with icing spatula and 3 icing smoothers. This is probably one of the most affordable turntables that you're going to find on the market today, priced at just over $10. The turntable itself is made from a quality plastic material and comes with a number of accessories to aid you in the cake decorating process. These accessories consist of a silicone spatula, 2 angled spatulas, as well as 3 smoothers that are used to shape frosting perfectly over a cake. The ball bearings of the rotating turntable are made from stainless steel to provide you with a smoother experience when turning the platform. Coming in at number 7, the Cake Turntable Set by PrismaChef. Another excellent option for anyone looking to buy a cake turntable that will not break the bank, but still gives you a product that will make the job of decorating cakes a breeze. The Cake Turntable Set by PrismaChef is also one of the more affordable turntables currently available. The turntable itself measures 11 inches in diameter, which means it does not provide adequate space for larger cakes, but will fit the majority of cakes baked in the stand cake trays. The base of the turntable is also made from rubber to ensure the tool does not slip while you're busy decorating a cake. The ball bearing design also provides a durable and comfortable experience while using the turntable. Coming in at number 8, the Rotating Cake Turntable Decorating Kit by Benir. The Benir Rotating Cake Turntable Kit comes with everything you need to get started with decorating your very first cake, and even provides adequate tools and features for those who are already experienced in the business of cake decorations. The rotating turntable has an 11-inch diameter to ensure it will fit the majority of cakes that you bake. The kit also comes with some accessories like an icing spatula that features an angled design, as well as 3 decorating combs for easy molding of the frosting that you apply to the cake. And coming in at number 9, the NY Cake Professional Cake Decorating Turntable. The best professional cake decorating turntable that you'll find on the market at the moment is the NY Cake Professional Cake Decorating Turntable. This turntable features a high quality durable design, which not on the cheapest on the market. The base of the turntable is made from cast iron material to ensure it is heavy enough to stay firmly mounted on the turntable where you'll be decorating a cake. An anti-slip base made from rubber further ensures the stability of this turntable. This particular decorating turntable does not come with additional accessories such as the spatula or scrapers of some of the others in this listing. Instead, all the focus was placed on the overall design of the turntable to ensure it offers the user maximum performance. And now for the cake turntable to avoid. The Cake Decorating Tilting Turntable by Craftit Edibles. Apart from introducing you to the top options in terms of decorating a cake turntable, we also want to look at an option that should be avoided. If you're serious about decorating cakes, then you should definitely avoid this cake turntable. The Craftit Cake Decorating Tilting Turntable seems like a good option at first, but this tool does not seem to perform as well as one you would think. In particular, it seems like the tilt can get stuck. Even though promoted as a non-slip surface, there have been complaints about cakes falling off the turntable once tilted. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best cake turntable. Anyone who has baked a cake before knows that the decoration of the cake is often the hardest part. Without the right tools, it can be even harder to use your creativity for the perfect decoration. This is why we've decided to share our thoughts on the best cake turntable reviews to help you make the journey of decorating cakes even more sweet.